Painting. Still a book painting. It's a dollar. Turn it to Lego. Lego. Got the grip. You're not gonna let go. You're not gonna let go. Look at that. Oh, he's a joker. Choked you out. Pepper spray. Break his skull. Stole it. He deserved it. You know, so bad of it. He broke his leg. He broke his arm. Choking the victim. How to survive? How to survive? Choke on the top. Pop, pop, pop. Pop, pop, pop. You and the rest were so bad. You die when she shoots you. Because you didn't shoot her. She would die when she shoots you. She has a gun. You want to steal something? You want to steal something? There's nothing here. You want to steal a art book? You have to pay for it. I have to draw the scene. They're in the house. Hitting each other. Two girls. The loser gets one. The loser has a bat. The other one has a bat. The other one has a bat. The other one has a gun. The other one has a bat. The other one has a gun. Who loses? Both of them. Hiya, hiya, hiya. Action. Who goes to jail? Both of them? Both of them. Man down, he goes to prison. He dead. He goes to the cell. You have to know how to stop getting hit. That versus gun versus shield versus handcuff versus versus Mortal Kombat. Brakes versus new brakes. Old brakes versus new brakes versus old oil. Old brakes. I want new oil in the brake. The brakes are dead. The brake is not working. Make sure the brake is working. This car is broken. When I bought it, it was broken.
Remember the cost and poor performance that could be waiting for you down the road if you neglect this simple service. Ask your service advisor if it's time to replace your engine air filter.
Keeping it working, it's maintaining it.
Alright, so elephant in the room. Battery. This was like supposed to be a disaster, right?
Well, at least it didn't break that many times.